Hello everyone, Dr. Nathan Bryan here, back with another message, this time about the hidden dangers of seed oils. Years ago, going back probably 50 or 60 years now, we were told by the so-called experts that fat causes heart disease, saturated fats are bad for us, but now the tide has turned. We know that that's no longer the case. The science has revealed otherwise. We need fats. The brain is made up of 80% fats. The cell membrane of every cell in the body is made up of fats and cholesterol and phospholipids. It's a phospholipid bilayer. So we must provide the body with healthy fats to allow for cholesterol production, to allow for vitamin D, testosterone, estrogen. These are molecules that are built on a cholesterol backbone. Now, the hidden dangers of things from seed oils, the so-called unhealthy fat, the omega-6 fatty acids, completely disturb cell membrane mobility and intracellular signaling. The half-life of seed oils is over 600 days. Now, what that means is if you consume seed oils, it's integrated into your cells, and half of that stays around for over 600 days. So it usually takes 5 half-lives for something in your body to completely be eliminated. 5 half-lives, that's 10 years. If you eat seed oil or you consume seed oils, that seed oil component, those unhealthy fats contained in seed oils, remain in your body for 10 years before they're completely excreted and eliminated. When the extracellular environment senses something, it tells that cell through intracellular signaling, this transmembrane, 7 transmembrane signaling mechanism, the inside of the cell to start upregulating certain genes, to turn on certain genes and to change the metabolism of that cell. But if we don't have enough cholesterol, if we have these bad fats in there, then we lose the membrane fluidity and we lose the intracellular signaling aspects. So seed oils, and this is something that occurs over time, you slowly develop chronic disease. This isn't something that you eat today and you're going to get sick tomorrow. No, this is chronic exposure that's leading to chronic health issues of most Americans. So again, we've been misinformed. Avoid seed oils, eat good fats, avocado oil, olive oil, naturally occurring fats. I like a well-marbled steak with good fat in it, the saturated fats. It doesn't cause heart disease. We need fat. We need cholesterol. Our body makes cholesterol as needed. If we're not getting enough cholesterol from our diet, our body makes it endogenously. And so things that inhibit cholesterol synthesis, like statin drugs, are very damaging because we need cholesterol. Our body senses we need it. We make it. And if we can't, there are dangers of that. Again, same mechanism. We lose cell membrane fluidity. We lose the ability to make vitamin D, testosterone, estrogen, and we have a pandemic. A worldwide pandemic of testosterone disorders, of estrogen disorders, of vitamin D deficiency. So the take-home message is completely avoid seed oils, eliminate those unhealthy fats and fatty acids from your body, and stick to what's natural. Thank you very much, and I hope you found this helpful.